Now, when you're working with Microsoft Word, it is very common to make mistakes, or it is very common for you to change your mind. So Microsoft Word gives you the undo and the redo options. So the undo basically reverses most of the changes that you've made. So now let's try to make a change. For example, I'm going to write this. I'm going to copy this and I'll just paste it. I'll say draft. But now I want to undo. I don't want this to be like this. Maybe I've changed my mind. I no longer want this word. So what I can do is I can press Control Z, which is Control Z. And you see, it goes. And that is it. We are back to what we had before. So that means the last action is going to be reversed. And also, if you delete a paragraph by mistake, for example, I have deleted this paragraph by mistake and I want to turn it back. Now, aside from using the shortcut, you can basically just press Control plus Z, and you have your paragraph back. Now, alternatively, you can use the undo button, which you can find in the quick access. You remember when we were looking at the user interface, we have this quick access. So this basically does undo. This is redo. So to undo it, I'm just going to click on this, click on that, and it will remove all the changes that we did. Now let's just look at redo. The redo command basically restores all actions that was previously undone. Now to do that, you just have to press Control Y. You press your Control and then Y. You can see it is redoing what we had done, and that is how it works. Also, alternatively, you can just come here and choose options here, and you can choose the different things that you want to do. So let me paste this, and then I'm going to undo it by doing Control Z to do it back. And you see it goes back. And then if I want to redo it, I'm just going to press Control Y, which is this. Or I can just come here and do that until redo the same thing that I have done. So in short, we have Control Z, which is undo. And then we have Control, which basically is for redo. So keep this in your mind and it will be very, very helpful when you're working with Microsoft Word.